Let's do some research where we can find a hot evergreen KDP niche where we can create a real book for a real person that they're going to like and enjoy. And we're going to start that by taking a look at this Claritas report that tells us the total annual spending by U.S. Hispanic households to reach $978 billion in 2020, higher than any other minority consumer group. We'll continue with our research. The Pew Research Center. Key facts about young Latinos, one of the nation's fastest growing populations. The population of the youngest Latinos, those under 18 years old, grew by 22% from 06 to 2016. Head over to Google Trends, type in a word that targets this population, quinceañera. Look at the interest over time, dating back from 2004 until up to today, here in 2021. Go to Amazon, type in the word, look at the suggestions, type in something that we like to make, journal. 1 of 16 of 209 results. Scroll down, start looking at the prices, the covers, what's being created here. Check out some of these BSRs. Of course, understand that you are targeting a very specific population, so this may be targeted, as you can see here, as the Spanish edition. But if you keep scrolling down, you're also going to see that it's not all in Spanish, but the word itself is in Spanish. Just understand that this is part of the business. This is part of what you're doing when you're creating real books for real people. It's not always just one language. It's not always just one group of people, but it is about a real book for a real person and what you can create and who you can create it for, and really digging in and doing the research and putting it all together, and continue on with your research by drilling down into other options. For example, planner. 1 of 48, 286 results for. Scroll down, start looking at these options. Again, what you're looking at, who's going to buy these, how you can create it. For example, how to plan a quinceañera on any budget. Keep scrolling. Down here, you're going to see some more planners that you can compete with, and this is how you go about doing the research to find something that's very unique, very much evergreen, because the simple fact of the matter is this population rolls over every year. Some 14-year-old is turning 15, and these are going to sell every year. If this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up. Keep doing your research, and do that by watching the video you see on the screen right now. Click that video. I'll see you there, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.